So, Daytona in the NASCAR, and Todd Gilliland is a bit further up the grid. I think he's a famous NASCAR driver. Everyone else in the lobby seems to know who he is. So, he's a tenth of a second quicker than I was. Round a lap, but lap times don't really mean a lot.
Green flag, green flag.
It's how you race. It's how if you can keep in the draft. So, that's all you got to do.
Inside.
I've got a few cars ahead. Problem is, if you ease off too much, you lose the draft, and that's it. So in top gear, that's it now. It's now just a high-speed game of chess.
Still there.
Trying to keep in the draft, keep with the lead group, not get taken out, not smash into anyone.
Still inside.
I'd rather be on the inside, but there are two lanes, so we'll take the outside lane. I think there's going to be trouble here. I'm going inside.
Wrecking in turn 3.
Wrecking in turn 3, so I don't know what's happened there, but we're still going.
Clear up top.
We're on the inside. And we're still going. So this is better than I've done in previous races around here. This guy's coming down.
57.3. Outside.
We'll just stick to the inside, I think.
Stay low. There is a car.
There is a gap emerging, unfortunately. Can't afford to let people go. I've just got to keep my foot in and hope for the best. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm 14th by the looks of it, which is a fair way back, but if we're in the main group, well, there's two groups out there. There's a group out the front by the looks of it, and we're dropping back here. What's going on? Are we going to close back up again?
Guys, we're losing the front draft. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on.
Yeah. Looks like people are getting worried. I'm certainly getting worried. We're losing the draft now. We're going to close back up.
46.9.
Maybe. We're going pretty quick. 46s is where you need to be in the draft. Hopefully if the leaders... I've done this before. I'm dropping back, look. I'm right there, and yet I can't keep up with them. I don't know what's going on. I just need to get back in, which I'm sort of doing. Oh, gosh. Cannot afford to get dropped. Okay, I think I'm closing back in. We're all together again. I do not know what's going on, but anyway, this is going to be a quick lap, I think, this one. Blimey. This is a very quick group, isn't it? I mean, I'm driving the same car as everyone else, and we want a fixed setup, so...
Inside, 46.05.
Blimey.
You've got the fastest lap.
We've got the fastest lap, look at that.
Your line, car inside.
Now what's going on? There's a bit of
On the low side.
shenanigans here. I mean, we're all easing off.
Inside,
Got the fastest lap and I'm last, look.
clear inside.
What the hell is going on here? I don't get it. I don't quite understand NASCAR, how you're supposed to win, really. How you shuffle yourself to the front of the pack without getting taken out
Outside.
by this guy, look. Just closes me down. I've eased off, I'm losing pace. You just cannot afford to take your foot off the throttle. There goes somebody.
On the front stretch.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Clear outside.
Oh my god.
Car inside, inside. Too wide. Clear inside. 48.209.
Yeah, I've got some damage. I think that's it.
Out there. Wrecking in the tri-oval. You're in the top 10.
I'm in the top 10, but oh my god.
A lot. The car behind is closing.
Do I stop? What do we think?
1.9 seconds.
I'm not revving out anymore. I mean, this is just no good, is it? I need to stop, I think.
Ah, come on, man, come on.
The car behind is closing on you. The gap
Yeah.
1.7 seconds.
I think I'm going to need to stop, otherwise I've had it.
2 year ass is getting reported for that one.
I mean, I could see if I can keep up with these guys.
Who was that? Because I know that two car got loose and then fucking slammed me and it was game
Clear
over.
high.
No, I can't keep with them, can I? It's not working.
0.217. Car outside. Clear outside.
It's not working. I think that's it. I'm going to have to go in.
You rolling out?
Okay, we're in 11th.
Behind you, 218.
There's not a lot of points staying out, so I just get run down by everyone.
I guess the 2 just can't handle fucking side drafting.
Okay, well, let's go in.
Just use your car, okay?
Going out.
Yeah, I'm good to go.
The leader just did a 47.217.
Yeah, I'm good to go.
Pit box in 5,
Okay,
3, 2, 1. Right here.
come on. New tyres. Well, let's see if we can get a decent result at least. And get out in some draft with somebody.
That's it, go.
See if we can catch this car.
I
We'll have
probably
to-
push better.
We'll have to take our chances in the speed up lane, I think.
I'm the left car ahead. I'm going high. Don't side draft us, bro.
That didn't work. Anyway, 5X, no one to follow. So I'm going to get caught by this group coming up on me. Question is, am I going to make up any places on anyone? So I'm going to get caught very quickly and I'll just follow them around, I guess. What a shame. We're going so well. That's racing in NASCAR though. You just, I mean, there was nothing I could do really. You just got to hope for the best really. You can't really take avoiding action, I don't think.
We don't need to be racing here.
Okay,
What the fuck do I have to do?
who are we racing? We're going to get caught because we're on our own. And then we need to slip in behind this group, I think. That's what we want to do. Just got to keep going around as quick as I can. So we've got 17 and 18 behind. I'm 15.
Yeah, if you need a push, let me know.
We're being run down anyway, so we'll slip in behind these group. It's 2 together, so we're slipping behind those first 2, I think. If we can. I don't really know what the etiquette is here, but
49.
being lapped.
9, 8, 4. Car inside.
So I'll go high and try and come down,
Car inside.
I guess,
You're up
below
to
all of them.
3 wide. Inside.
And what
2
the hell is
wide.
this guy doing?
Still there. Clear inside. Inside. Clear inside.
Okay, we're inside. And that pink car was just pushing me up into the barrier, wasn't it? I don't know what he was doing. Anyway, we're 15th. At least we got some pace now. Can we catch anyone? Not sure if we will. It looks like this group there's going to be more problems, doesn't it? So we do seem to be wobbling about a bit.
48.6.
We'll just sit behind them because we're not racing any of them. I don't know what this pink car's doing. Seems a bit erratic. I don't want to get stuck behind him if he loses touch. So where is 14? So 14 is on their own, quite a long way round the track, so we might actually catch them. Because we'll be going like 2 or 3 seconds a lap quicker, unless they latch on to that lead group, which they might do.
162.
This pink car does seem very erratic though. Oh yeah. I'd like him not to be there really.
What was that?
Now who are we catching?
Car inside.
come on.
High. Clear
Again.
inside.
You guys are way too impatient.
Not a lot I could do about that. Again.
Leader just did a 47.252. Looks like your car is towed.
Yeah.
You'll need a tow back to pit lane. Press and hold the reset button.
Yeah, this has not gone well.
That car is a lap down. Pit box in 5, 3, 2, 1.
7, if you want to
Right
go,
here.
let me know.
Too much damage. Well, that's the end of that. Okay, so here's the first incident then. So 2 cars got together up there, then pushed that car right off there. Yeah, they were just all over the place. Oh, I was lucky to get through there, and then, yeah, I mean, just nothing I could do. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. So next instant, then this group came up, and I was trying to follow them, and this pink car just, I mean, I don't know why he was trying to go too wide there. He could see I was there. So, yeah, he was a bit erratic. I wasn't very impressed with his driving. And then what happened? So, I had latched onto the back of this group. We were going along, not doing too badly. And then, not quite sure what happened. They just all got a bit impatient. And then, yeah, it just turned him, didn't he? That was it. And I thought I was going to get through. And then he just came straight up and, yeah. Oh, ho-hum. Never mind. That's racing.
Way too
I think we'll give that a miss for a while, and maybe I'll try it again a bit later in the week. Anyway, no point looking at the results, but I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. And you know, if you did, then stick around, tell your friends, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.